can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. Girl, you're making it hard for me. 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 Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. The meaning or the history of the song is X could be referring to his past relationship with his ex-girlfriend, which he struggled a lot with. And in 2016, his ex-girlfriend accused X of assaulting her, which led to him going to jail. On multiple songs, X claimed that she was the one who broke his heart by showing him nothing but fake love. Despite all of the pain, his ex-girlfriend caused X, he stated that he still loved her on his 2017 songs Carry On, even though he has the feeling of loving her. And the meaning is why he can't stand it, meaning he can't take the confusion he has about the feeling for her. This song tells us about a man who is in trouble and can't standing his feelings because the woman that she loved has changed. That's for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.